Hi Daily City Rec at home, my name is Cherry and today we're going to be making a spider garland. For your supplies today, you'll need black pipe cleaners, large fuzzy pom-poms, a pair of scissors, some googly eye stickers, and some string or yarn. To make this spider, you're going to grab 4 pipe cleaners and 1 large pom-pom. First, twist the pipe cleaners together in the middle. Place the pom-pom where the pipe cleaners are twisted, then wrap the pipe cleaner around the pom-pom and fold them to look like legs. Then you're going to make as many spiders as you want for your garland. Now you're going to put the eyeball stickers on the pom-pom. So after you've made all of your spiders, you're going to use the leg and wrap it around your string. And that's how you make your spider garland. Thanks for watching.